Okay, so this is the aftermath of having I don't know how many sticky children in the car after the school fete yesterday. There's an awful lot of sweets, sticky fingerprints, handprints, footprints all over the white interior. So let me give you a quick show. Oh, and I'm just evicting the spider, who I want out, not in. So here's the front seat. We've got footprints, handprints, something really sticky up the back, something up the dashboard by the glove box. I presume everybody can see those sticky fingerprints all over the screen, which is just mental. There are footprints and scuff marks all up the door panels, and an absolute cracking handprint right in the middle of the back seat, so I could probably identify the perpetrator from those fingerprints, and more on that seat as well. So I'm going to give this all a good clean, just with warm soapy water. So here we go, warm soapy water versus sticky horrible fingerprints. And then give it a quick dry. And they're all gone. Let's do the next one. There we go. That is just how easy it is to clean these seats. These door panels, just give them a quick wipe. Oh, there's something sticky up there as well. Wipe that one off. And a quick buff over. Good as new. There's this sticky mark up on the seat up here. Sticky mark gone. Mucky horrible marks on seat. All gone. This one on the dashboard's really quite difficult to get a picture of, but it's up under here. And that's gone. So to do the screen, you have to put it into screen cleaning mode, which is on the display options. You just tap that button and it switches it all to completely black, so you can see the horrific fingerprints. And I'm going to give it a quick clean. There we go. And then you press and hold this button and counts down. And there you go. Lovely clean screen again. I've actually just noticed that I've even got face paints on the steering wheel. So I believe that this was a tiger that was in my car at some point. There we go. All totally cleaned. I mean, to be fair, even my external handles are sticky. The whole lot is just sticky, sticky, sticky. There we go, that's one door handle de-stickied. Oh. Much better. Yeah, just look, even my chrome is covered in sticky fingerprints. My door handles are covered in sticky fingerprints on the inside too. So I'm going to give these a clean. And wipe down the chrome. Everything is just covered in children have been eating candy floss stickiness. There we go, good as new. So there you have it, all cleaned up, nice and shiny and clean and ready to go again. We've got another show next weekend where I expect that the seats will probably look in about the same sort of state by the time we've finished. Hope this has helped anybody who's struggling to make up their minds about the white interior. It looks fabulous and it's easy to clean. Just stay on top of it. Have a good day.